Hey, what's up, guys? Jeff here, and tonight I want to do a live Q&A session for ShopMozo. So ShopMozo was just rolled out to the general public a couple of days ago. I've had access to this thing for maybe about a week or so, and I built a couple of stores with it, and I really am impressed with what I'm seeing out of it so far. But I've been getting a ton of questions from my email list, from my current students, and from people just in the comments section of my review videos. And they've been really, really good questions. So I thought maybe what I would do in this live stream is just answer some of the questions you may have. So if you have any questions, feel free to put those in the live chat box and I'll answer those questions, show you some different stuff about ShopMozo. I've also got Shop Express open in another tab over here so that I can show you some stuff about that as well and compare ShopMozo to Shop Express for you if you want me to or anything about that. So um, yeah, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to put them in the box. Um, just make sure that we're actually streaming here. All right, yeah, we're live. Okay, just making sure. And I've got the chat open here, so all you have to do is go over to the live chat and say, "What's up?" And ask any questions you have about ShopMozo. If you're thinking about getting it, then I'd love to answer any questions you have before you get access to it. And I've also left a link in the description of the video for you to go ahead and get instant access to ShopMozo at any time you want to. So if you get all your questions answered and you're ready to jump in with this thing and start building your own Amazon affiliate store or eBay or AliExpress or all three, you can do all three with the same store. So if you're ready to build your own affiliate store with just a few clicks of a mouse, then um, you can go to the description of the video and click on that link. It'll take you over to the ShopMozo website where you'll be able to get instant access to ShopMozo and start using it right now. Okay. So I will just kind of play around here while I'm waiting on some people to pop up here in the chat and start asking some questions about ShopMozo. Um, Hopefully we'll get some, but if not, that's cool too. I'm just doing this for all those late night hustlers out there who are just learning how to do affiliate marketing, or maybe you're experienced and you're just out there grinding and doing your thing. I used to stay up super late doing this kind of stuff, and now I'm so blessed to be in the position to just stay up late because I want to, and I want to be able to help other people. So uh, if you're out there like I used to be, and you're up late learning and wanting to advance to the next level of knowledge, or you want to get your affiliate marketing business started, then I'm here to help. Okay. Also want to mention that I have a free training course that you may be interested in, and you can get that at moneybuysdreams.com. And I'll just show you here um, what all you're going to get with that free training course. So I've designed this course to help you to generate your first $1,000 per month with
Hey, how's
Amazon
it going, Jeff?
affiliate program in your first 30 days. Okay, so I've had thousands of students come through this thing and tons of success stories. Um, but what I'll be showing you in this course is how to set up your own profitable Amazon affiliate website in 10 minutes or less using either ShopMozo or ShopExpress. I have both of those loaded up into step one. Then in step two, I'm going to show you how to find the most profitable products to promote on Amazon. Then in step three, I'll show you how to get visitors to your Amazon affiliate website. And in step four, I'll show you how to take your affiliate earnings to the next level. So if you want to get those, all you need to do is come over to moneybuysdreams.com, put in your name and email address, and you'll have instant access to that free training course. Okay. Yeah, I didn't leave a link to that in the description. I don't really know how to go back and update that now, but um, if you want to get access to that training course, get some knowledge, then head over there to moneybuysdreams.com and check that out. Okay. So I guess what I'll do while I'm waiting on people to pop up and ask some questions, that you may have. I'll just kind of show you around here and show you some of the cool features that this thing has, okay? So for the store design, you have your themes that you can choose from. All right. So you have a vivid orange, all right, which is what I have, but you have all these different ones: blue, orange, violet, another shade of blue, cayenne, violet again, or a grayish violet, lime green, yellow, red, yellow, orange, blue, dark gray, orange, vivid pink. Then you have a place to put your logo. You have a place to upload a favicon, all that good stuff. So really allows you to give your store a unique look. All right, so I've got my logo here. All right, I haven't uploaded a favicon yet, but there's nothing really wrong with the one that is up there, so I'm just gonna leave that the same. I did leave a couple of these like this just to show you how easy it is to get rid of products that don't have images. So let's click on here and see if I can figure out what the name of this product is. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to delete or edit any products in your store. Um, for some reason that image just ain't showing up on my homepage, but maybe it's just having a hard time pulling it from Amazon as well. So you see here this beautiful product description here that has all the stuff that your visitors are going to want to see. And you have tweets over here. You've got related tags, you've got related products, and recently viewed. So really nice looking page, images going down the side here. Your visitors will be able to highlight these images, run their mouse across them, and have them magnified as well. Okay. So let me show you here. Let's go to products, and then we'll go to all products. And then those will load up, and let me just grab the name of this one real quick. Just gonna copy that much of it there. I'll put that in the search box here to make it easier to find that one. And there it is. Alright, so let me just first edit it. So I can go over here to the action column and click on edit, and I can see kind of what the deal is here with the images. I have a ton of images in here. Alright. Now I'm not really sure. Let's see why it won't show the image up on the home page. All right, but let's just say for some reason that it just absolutely refuses to show the image. Then what we'll do is we'll just delete it from our store because it's so easy to add replacement products. Okay, so let me just go back to the home page and make sure that it's not just a site error, that it's maybe just having a hard time pulling that image from Amazon. Okay, so apparently it's just having a hard time getting that image on the home page, which is cool. It's fine. Like I said, we can easily delete that product from our site, so that's what we'll do. And I can always add that back at any time that I want to. So let me just go back over here, search this product back out. And so what I'm going to do is just click on the little trash can icon. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to delete it. I'm going to tell it yes. And now it's gone. So let me refresh this. All right, and let's get rid of this one as well. Now I'll show you how to add in some replacement products for these two, or just any of them really. So we're going to look for this here. Take it back over here and put it in the box. Let's see here. Which one is it? 2.4720p. Alright, so it's the 106. Alright, so it's this one. We're just going to delete that. and head back over to our home page, and that product should be gone. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's how you would get rid of products that the images are not showing up correctly for some reason. But usually I don't run into that problem a whole lot, so I don't really have a lot of editing to do in that way. Let me just check and see if there's any questions yet. Nope. All right. I'll just keep going then. So I believe those were probably added through my automation that I have set up. So over here in automation tab, I have it set up to post a racing drone and a drone for kids every single day. I have one of those added to my store every single day. So what happened was it posted those products that it couldn't show the image for, and so I had to come over here and just kind of clean that up. So if you have multiple automations, it's a good idea to stop by your store, once a day or maybe once every couple of days, whatever your schedule is, and just make sure that all your images are showing up correctly. Make sure everything's looking the way you want it to, because like you've seen, I ran into that little problem. Okay, so that's what that was. It was set up through automation. All right, so let me show you how to add products, and this is very, very simple to do. So when you click on the add products, you have your Amazon, AliExpress, and eBay. All right, so if you click on Amazon, if you want to add an Amazon product, then just click on Amazon. You can search for drone for kids. Search for whatever your keyword is. And then that's going to pull up a list. And if you've already imported a bunch of them, then you'll just go to the next page. I've already imported those. There's one I haven't imported. There's one I haven't imported. So let me import that one. And if you want to check, make sure the product's available or anything like that before you post it, all you have to do is open the view detail in another tab, see it's available, you can see the price matches up, all that good stuff. And you can find out if it has good reviews, how many reviews it has. So I'd say this is a really good solid product to add. It has almost 1,800 reviews and it's 4-star reviews, so that's pretty good. I'm definitely going to add this one to the store. All right. So once I decide which one I want to post, and I can post all these at once if I want to, so I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But I'm going to go over to drones for kids, and I'm going to publish now. Okay. So I'm just going to publish that, and so that's in my store now. So let me close the Amazon tab and refresh the home page here. And there is the drone that we just added. Okay. So now you can see that it went out and created us a product page. Okay. So it's got the images, it's got the price, it's got a buy now button, it's got add to cart button, it's got the description, the tweets, the related tags, the Amazon reviews, okay, with customer images and all that nice stuff. All right, right on your site. It's got related products and recently viewed. Okay. So that's automatic. Okay. You see me just add that to my store, and you see the page that it created for me. Very, very beautiful page. Okay. Something that your visitors are going to really thank you for when they come over to your site. All right. So now let's say that I want to add, like, I don't know, 10 products at a time. Okay. So let's go to page 3, and you can see all of these right here I have not imported. All right. So if I want to add a bunch of them at a time, I can just select all by checking this box at the top. And then I can make sure that these are ones that I really want to post to my store. So these are going to go in my drones for kids category. All of these look cool. Let me take that one out. Yeah, all these look good. So I'm going to post these drones for kids tags. I'm going to take away the HT photography drones and the racing tag, and then I'm going to publish. And it's going to take just a second to create those pages, and when it does, then it's going to publish every single drone that I have a check mark by to my site, and I can go on there and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's go back to our home page. See if we got any questions yet. Not yet. Alright. Alright, so now you can see I've got all these drones for kids here posted to my store. You can see I've got a sorry, no image available. Looks like I've got one acting up here. Let me go to my drones for kids category. Alright. Alright, so let's get rid of this one. So copy that, go back over here to the products. And then I'm just going to paste that in the box. And I'm going to put a check next to it and delete it. Alright, so that one's gone. Let's refresh the page. Alright, and we have one more to clean up here. So let's go with, let's see if we can copy this real quick. It's not going to let me. Alright, I'll just open the product page real quick. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to put them in the box, okay? Put them in the chat box, and I want to answer all of your questions that you have. I'm just kind of messing around right now, waiting on anyone who has questions to show up. And let's see, let's get rid of this thing here. Let's go back here. Let's go back to our drones for kids category. There we go. That's better. Okay. So now we've got a nice clean category, and we should have a nice clean home page as well. There we go. All right. Looking good. All right. Let's see if we got any questions here. Nope. All right. Let's see. What else can I show you about this thing? Let's see the get traffic part. Go set up a social campaign. So to create a social campaign, just need to go and set up a campaign. So we'll enter our automation name, and we'll say, what do I not have set up yet? Photography drones. And then we'll select our category. So go to photography drones, enable auto post. I'll start this tomorrow. Let's see, let's start it in the morning at about 9 a.m. Post one product per day. Alright, so I'm just going to post one product per day from my photography drones category into Facebook groups that I went out and found, and I'll show you how I found those Facebook groups here in just a second. Alright, so I'm going to put a check next to all these Facebook groups so that it's going to post one drone per day to each one of these Facebook groups, okay? Now you can also post to Twitter and Instagram. I haven't had time to set up my Twitter and Instagram yet, so I'm only going to show you Facebook for now. And so these are, like I said, the Facebook groups that I have already set up. And this screen would just show me a preview usually, and I'm not sure why it didn't just now. It's probably my internet speed from doing the live stream. So then we have photography drones automation set up to post tomorrow, and it's going to post one product every day, all right, from the photography drones category. Now, how I found those Facebook groups was in the Facebook group finder. What I did was I just entered a keyword here, went out and searched for Facebook groups. Now you can see all the groups that are open, all right, and since they're open, that means you can join them automatically. And so all you would do is just put a plus next to every group that you want to be added to, and you'll automatically be added to those groups. All right, so that you have more groups to post to, and you'll be able to get viral traffic from Facebook to your site automatically. All right. And so I'm just going to check all those. But as you seen in the when I was setting up the social campaign, um, I'm already a part of a few different ones. So you can just keep adding to it, right? You just keep adding to it, and you get traffic on autopilot. All right. All right. So let's see here. Any questions? Just put them in the box. Like I said, definitely want to show you everything that I possibly can about ShopMozo, and want to make sure that I get all of your questions answered, okay? Like I said, if you want to get access to ShopMozo at any time, just click on the link in the description of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that make sure you turn your notifications on, because every once in a while I have some good training that I put out on my YouTube channel, and I want to make sure that that gets delivered to you, okay? Um, and like I said, I also have the free training course over here at moneybuysdreams.com. It's a free 4-step training course that's going to show you how to set up your very own profitable Amazon affiliate store in 10 minutes or less using either ShopMozo or ShopExpress. And it's going to show you how to find the most profitable products to promote on Amazon, how to get visitors to your Amazon affiliate website, and how to take your affiliate earnings to the next level. Okay, so I definitely want to put that course in your hands. I don't know how long I will be giving it away for free, so make sure you get access to it as soon as possible. All right, let's see what else I can show you here. Let's look at the reporting section. I just set this store up yesterday. Um, I think yesterday or the day before, something like that. I'm losing track of my days here. Um, and so you can see I'm already getting some traffic to it with just the stuff I've already posted and set up the automations. I'm already getting some traffic to my pages, so people are actually already clicking through to Amazon as well. So I'm actually really impressed with that. Um, it's probably the fastest I've ever gotten traffic without actually having to do anything. That's kind of impressive. I haven't even checked on these stats since I set this store up, so pretty neat there. You can see an overview. That's what I'm looking at right here is the overview. And then you can see the individual products. All right, you can see that it's in a graph form, and you can see it by day, week, or month. I think you can even do by the year or even custom. Okay, so you can do custom reporting here. You can look at your hits. Now this is going to be your page hits and affiliate hits. So what a product hit is when somebody actually just goes and visits one of your product pages. An actual affiliate hit is whenever they click on the buy now button or the add to cart button and then go over to Amazon. Okay, so um, your affiliate IDs are automatically so every product added to your store. So all these products that are added to my store are automatically coded to my affiliate ID. Okay, so you have a place to put in your Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress affiliate IDs here. All right, and so you can see my affiliate ID is this one. And so if I go over to one of my product pages and we look at the buy now button, we'll just click on the buy now button, and I'll show you how you can check this for yourself to make sure that your affiliate ID is showing up. Okay. And so we'll click on the buy now button. That's going to open up Amazon. All right. Now you'll see up here in your browser, it has a tag equals and then your affiliate ID. Okay. So you can see those are automatically coded up. You didn't see me do anything special. We've been live the whole time. And so you see me add this to my store, and now you can see that it's coded to my affiliate ID as well. All right. So let's go back. That's Shop Express there. Let's open the store back up. All right, and the same with eBay. I don't have my eBay or AliExpress affiliate ID set up, or I would show you those as well, but those are automatically coded to your affiliate ID too, okay? You also have social settings, so you have to create a Facebook app and a Twitter app and an Instagram app. So you need to connect those to the store. That's probably the most work that you have to do, as a matter of fact. And then you have a place for your social pages, and those show up down here at the bottom of your site where people would typically look for them. So you can see your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. You would just put in your social pages. I still have some work to do to finish setting up my store. I've been so busy, uh, trying to answer questions and help people out with this kind of stuff that I haven't even got to finish setting up my own store, which is cool because I'd rather help you and then come back and set up my store later. As you can see, I'm already getting traffic and clicks on my product, so I'm not too concerned with it at this point. You also have social sharing buttons, and so those pop up on your product pages. Okay, so let me open up a product page here. All right, let me make sure I have those turned on. Yep, I got them off. Okay, so I need to turn those on and then click on save. So this is your options to turn on your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Plus, or Pinterest. And that will create the social buttons that'll be down the side here. So let me just refresh this page real quick. All right, so you can see your social sharing buttons here. So now if one of my visitors says, hey, this is awesome, let me share this over to my Facebook, they just click on the Facebook button and it allows them to share it straight from your site, okay? Or Twitter or Google Plus or LinkedIn or Pinterest or whatever it is, okay? You can also use these same buttons to bookmark your site. So you can share your products to Facebook from here, all your social media. So it's really, really cool. Another thing I didn't show you before was these videos that are automatically curated from YouTube. So these are like video reviews and unboxing videos and stuff that your visitors would typically look for. So now they can get those straight on your site without ever having to leave it and go to YouTube and then forget where they were. So you get to keep your visitors on your page longer. And the longer that a visitor stays on your page, uh, the more, the higher your chances are of being able to make a sale. Okay, so the pages are set up in a way that to give your visitors everything that they need to make a decision on whether the product that you're showing them is the product that they want to buy. Okay. And if not, then when they get down here, they can see related products and they can see what they recently viewed and all that good stuff, okay? So it's really, really, really awesome. I love it. All right, so that's your social media settings. And then you have team management, so you can actually add team members to your store and um, you'll be able to give them access to any of the stores that you create. Now, I should told you this in the beginning, but I'm using the enterprise version of ShopMozo, so that gives you access to add 5 team members. So if you want to add more than that, you'll need to get the membership. And let me just take you over and show you that real quick. All that stuff that might help answer some questions as well. But you'll need to get the membership if you want to add more than 5. But what it allows you to do is you'll be able to have unlimited team management, and you'll be able to create, assign, and customize roles and privileges for clients as well as your own affiliate stores. Okay, so you can assign stores to clients. So if you want to sell these affiliate stores, you'll definitely need to get the membership. You can go over on Flippa and sell these stores for a couple $100 each, right? So you'll easily recover your money, not just through the affiliate commissions that you earn, but through selling these stores as well. Okay. So you have the agency license when you get access to the membership. Like I said, you have unlimited team management, and it's as simple as just adding a team member. If you sell a store to a client, then all you would do is just have their name and email, and then what it'll do is it'll send them an invite to uh, become a team member. And so you would just create them an affiliate store. So you would have this store that you create, and then you would make them a team member, and you would make them the manager of the store. Okay. So what you would do is to add a new store, you would just put in your subdomain. So let's say I want to go with something like baby monitors. Okay, let's see if that one's available. That one is available. Okay, so I would say baby monitors. Okay, so your web address is going to be babymonitors.shopmozo.co. Okay, um, and then you can upload your logo right now, or you can just upload it later, like I showed you over in the theme design and all that. And then you would just click on save. Okay, and then what you would do is you would go over and add a team member, and you would assign that team member to that store. Okay, and then if you already have their like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress affiliate details, you can enter those, and you'll be able to um, go ahead and add categories, products, and all that good stuff to their site for them. Go ahead and set up the whole site, and sell these sites for a couple $100 over on Flippa or other places where you can sell sites. Okay. Let's see if anybody has any questions. Not yet. If you have any questions, please put them in the box. Put them here. All right. So you see how easy it is to just go ahead and set up a store, and then I can click on manage that store. All right. Then all I need to do is go over to affiliate, put in my affiliate details here. For Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. And then I can go ahead and start adding products, okay? So I go over and choose a theme that I want. Let's see. I want to see what that pure red looks like. I haven't even had a chance to check that one out. Let me hop back over to one of my other stores and grab my affiliate details real quick, and I'll just go ahead and set up a store right here in front of you, okay? So let's go to affiliate stores. That's another thing I really love about this ShopMozo is the ability to manage all of your stores from the same dashboard. I don't have to, go to a different domain name or go all over the place just to be able to manage a store. I can just manage it straight from the same dashboard. All right. All right. So now I just want to go to affiliate and grab my details real quick. So I'm going to copy those into a notepad. All right, then I'm going to hop back out of here, get back into the baby monitor site. All right, and then I'm going to enter those affiliate details into the box. And just click on save. And next I want to set up my categories. So I'm going to go to category. This is where I'm going to open Amazon up. I'm going to I'm going to type in baby monitor. See what I come up with here. Okay. All right, so for my categories, I could either go by brand, right? Or if I'm worried that there won't be enough for each brand, then what I could do is go by price range, okay? Or I can go with some of these categories over here. Let me click on baby monitors and see if I can narrow down this into categories here. Or I could go with night vision or sound, wireless, two-way, LCD display, iPhone, internet. Okay. Or I could go with price range. Um, all right. So what I'm going to go with, let me check out the best sellers real quick. Yeah, that's best sellers in baby. Okay. Let me go back. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go with price range. Okay. So I'm basically just going to copy what Amazon has here, and I'm going to go with under 25. Okay, so this is how you would set up your categories. Like I said, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to put them in the box. And also, if you want to get access to ShopMozo, feel free to look in the description and click that link. You'll be taken over to the ShopMozo website where you'll be able to get instant access. All right, so we're going to go with under 25. All right, and let me just copy that real quick. Oh, I need to turn the category on. Okay, that allows it to show up on my category menu. And then I'm going to add my next category. So I'm going to quickly go through these and add these 5 or 6 categories that we have here, which, like I said, I'm just going to use the price range for this one. Show you how quickly this can actually be done. And I'll go back in later and add descriptions and stuff like that to these categories. All right, so I've got my categories set up. Now I'm ready to start adding products. All right, so I'm going to go back over to my dashboard, add products, Amazon, and let's see here. Let's look in the under 25 category. It's got 21 reviews. It's under 25 bucks. Let's see, that's a camera mount. Batteries. There we go. I'm just going to copy that. Let's see if we can find it using our search. Let's see. That's not it. What's the picture look like? That one there, I think I just seen it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. All right. So there's that one there. All right. Now, if we see any more along the way, like this one here is under 25. This one here is under 25. All right. Then I can just add those. All right. So I'm just going to add those to my under 25 and then publish now. All right. Now, what's some of my other categories that I have? 25 to 50. All right, let's look for some of those next. 25 to 50. So that one fits. That one fits. This one. All right. So let's go put those in there. All right, let's see what the next category is. 50 to 100. All right, so let's go with this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Publish those. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the live chat. All right. And the next one is 100 to 200. So let's see if we have any of those. Let's see. This one here we have. So let me publish that. I can't go to the next page. So you want to publish, even if it's just one, you want to publish it uh, while you're on that page. So you can only put checks on the page. Like I can't put checks on this one and then go to the next one and the next one and put checks and all that, and then try to publish all the pages because it's not going to work. It's only going to publish the pages that the page that you're currently on. Okay. So we're at 100 to 200. Is there any on here that match that? No, so let's go to the third page. Let's go to the fourth page. 125, 129. Okay, so we've got two on there. All right. Publish. All right. And so let's take a look at what we've got so far. So, all right, so we've got our baby monitor site here. Just set up. All right, and so let's take a look here. We have our categories, and let's take a look here at the ones that we posted. I kind of like that red theme. I usually go with the orange theme because I like it to be congruent with Amazon, and of course Amazon uses orange. So that looks pretty good. We're off to a pretty good start so far. Need to go over and create a logo, so let's go do that. And to do that, I just use Canva and create a simple little logo. So I can go to Canva, And let's see what size that logo needs to be. So we're going to go under theme, and it needs to be 120 by 47. Okay, so I'm going to say use custom dimensions, 120 and 47, and design. And then I can add text. Weird. Usually don't do this. This live stream is adding some stuff to the mix tonight. All right, so let me decrease the size on this so that it fits. And we'll say baby monitors. What in the world? Okay, so let me decrease the size of this some more. Actually, I'm not really sure what's going on with that, so let me just exit off there and try that again. 120, 47. Usually it don't open up in a huge window like this. I'm not really sure why it's doing that. It's cool though. We'll figure it out. I really suck at designing stuff, like really bad. It's definitely not my favorite thing to do. I always hire people to do all my design work for me because I really do not like it at all. All right, baby monitor's there, and I'm just going to download it. All right, that's going to download to my computer. As soon as it's done, I'm going to go to choose file, and it's under my downloads. So type in baby monitors. There we go. And I'm just going to save that. All right, now we've got a logo for our store. So let's go back over here and refresh that. And there's our logo there. Got our category drop down menu there. All right, the next thing I want to do is add some sliders. All right, so I'm going to go to Pixabay. And this is a free image resource, so you can use these images without worrying that somebody's going to sue you for copyright or anything like that. These are copyright free, royalty free images. Really good resource to use to get images for your stores. So I'm going to type in baby monitor first just to see what comes up. All right, not much under that. These are all sponsored images, so don't even worry about those. These are the ones you'd be looking for. So instead of baby monitor, what I'm going to type in is baby. All right, and let's see what we have here. Let's see, let's go with this one. And then we'll download it. I'm going to use 1280. I'm going to use the 1280 option. There's usually an option that's around that size. All right, I'm just going to download that. That's going to come up on my computer. So let's go back and see what else we can find real quick. Check and see if anybody's got any questions yet. Not yet. Where are all my late night owls at? I've got people going to watch the replay and go, what? What's this dude talking about? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, let's see. Let's find us some cute little sleeping babies. Here we go. As any parent knows, this is when you need a baby monitor the most, is when your baby is sleeping, right? I've got 3 boys, and Never did get a video baby monitor for some reason, but always had one of those little handheld things that I used to take around with me if I was going outside or something like that, and one of the boys was taking a nap. I'd just take that little handheld deal with me, and it was always pretty good. Um, Here we go. All right, so I'm just going to download 3 of those for right now, just to kind of save time. Um, then we're going to go back over to. Oh, are we in drones or okay? We're in baby monitors. All right, so back over to our store design and slider, and we're going to turn this first slider on, and we're going to upload the image, and we're going to choose our files here. So we've got newborn, so we're going to upload that one, and then once it uploads, we are just going to select it. I'm sorry everything's kind of slowed down because of this live stream, but it moves much faster when you're not doing a live stream, I promise you that. So for right now, I'm just going to use the images, but you do have the ability to add main taglines and put them on your categories and all that good stuff, okay? So I'm just going to save options. And you can always come in here and edit these at any time, switch them out, add taglines and call to action buttons and stuff. And I will do one just to show you an example of how that's done. Let me get these uploaded. Next one is baby. Where did my image go? Here it is. Save options. You just want to make sure you turn these on each time, okay? So we're going to go to slide number 3, turn it on, upload image, and upload our last one, which is under smartphone. And save options. All right, now we've got 3 sliders here. So let me go back up here and refresh the page. And there we go. So we've got our sliders here. All right, and those will automatically scroll. Okay, so your visitors will have some nice pictures that represent the products in your store. Um, like I said, you can find other photos. I'm just kind of rushed through it to get it done. All right. Um, you have your store here with your layout, all that good stuff. So, like I said, we're off to a good start, and we haven't even taken that much time to do it. All right, hasn't taken us very much time at all. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I want to mess with my SEO real quick. That's under get traffic. Show you how to set this up. Baby monitors. Okay, that's my website name. So the title of my homepage is going to be baby monitors for sale. All right, for sale, free shipping. I always like to put something about free shipping because a lot of Amazon's products do have free shipping for Prime members, and also they just offer free shipping for orders above $25 on most items as well. So I always like to point out that there's free shipping available. Baby monitors for sale, free shipping. Uh, and then what I'm going to do is, let's see, let's add a little bit more. See, there's a little SEO analysis over here. So you don't even have to be an SEO expert. It'll just tell you what it's looking for and you just put it in there, right? So baby monitors for sale, free shipping, uh, buy now, something like that. Come on, SEO analysis, just give me a break. All right, so I'm just going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to say, uh, we have the best selection of baby monitors for sale. Many, let's see, most with free shipping available to the United States or whatever country you are in or promoting to. Come see our wide selection now. All right, I got a green on that one, so I'm good to go. Now we're going to add some keywords. So I'm going to say baby monitors. I'm going to say, let's see, what's some of the name brands here? Or actually, what was some of those other keywords down through there? Where did I see those keywords at before? There we go. Night vision baby monitors. So let's go back over here. We have baby monitors with sound. We have wireless baby monitors. We have two-way baby monitors. LCD display. LCD display baby monitors. Internet baby monitors. Let's go with Wi-Fi baby monitors. And day and night baby monitors. All right, and then we're just going to save those options. All right, now we can go to our product page, and all we have to do is choose the syntax that we want. I'm going to go with syntax 2. It's really just the product title is going to show up first, and then the site title up here in the bar, and also in the search results. So you want your product title to come first because that's going to get you the most SEO value. And then this syntax is either a dash, a bar, or just the product title. And actually, I'm actually just going to experiment with just the product title on this one. I've been doing the syntax 2, but I'm going to experiment with syntax 3 on this one. And just save options, and then archive page. Let's set that one up for 2. And then title settings. Let's just go with syntax 2 again. XML sitemap I don't need right now. RSS feeds I don't need right now, but I can show you the RSS feeds. So you have an RSS feed for all of your categories and subcategories. All right, so you can ping those things and get your products indexed quicker. You have an XML sitemap that you can download or you can copy the link to, and you can use this with any of your Webmaster Tool accounts. Okay, and you have your Webmaster settings here. Google, Bing, Pinterest, and Yahoo. So you just put your verification codes in there, click Save Options, and then you can use Google Analytics, third-party analytics, Facebook Remarketing Pixel, or Web Engage here, okay? All right, so this will put your Facebook Remarketing Pixel on every single page of your site, and that way you can use Facebook ads to remarket to people who visit your site. All right, so I'm done with SEO settings. Let me go up here to SMO. Let's turn on our social buttons. So we're going to go to the design options, and I'm going to just pick out some social buttons. Let's go with these this time. Click Save. Then I need to go over here to display options. I need to turn all these on. Click Save. Now, if I wasn't showing you this stuff, I'd be able to set this up in about 10 minutes or less. But I'm going slow to try to make sure I cover every little thing for you. Ah, here we go. What's a hashtag? I'm a beginner. Thanks. So a hashtag is just like the pound symbol. So um, just that's a hashtag. Okay. Um, I don't know if that's what you're talking about or referring to, but yeah, if you're looking for like hashtag ShopMozo, right? So that's what people put for a hashtag. If you're looking for something specifically that I just went over, that had a hashtag somewhere, then yeah, just let me know and I'll definitely go back and show you. Okay. All right. So let's go with let's see, what were we doing here? All right, so we're done with the SMO for now because I don't have any social accounts created for this specific store yet. But when I go out and create a Facebook page, Twitter, and all that good stuff, I'll put them in here, and then those will show up down at the bottom where I showed you before. Okay, so we're good with all that stuff there. I think. Let me check again. Social. Yeah, we're good with all that for right now. Let me just check right here real quick. All right, so theme, slider, banner ad. Okay, so if we have a banner ad, let's say we want to use Google AdSense, then all we would do is put our Google AdSense code in here, and then those ads will show up on our product pages. Okay, so let me refresh this real quick. You can see that now we have up here in our title bar through our SEO, we have baby monitors for sale, free shipping, buy now, and baby monitors. So we've got our keyword up there that we're targeting. Um, our site's looking pretty good. Hasn't really taken us that long at all. We have our logo, our sliders, all that good stuff in place. We're doing good. We're rocking. All right, let me check out. Let me check out here real quick. Make sure that our social buttons are showing up all right for us. Yeah, we've got our social buttons showing up here. Those look good. All of our stuff is looking the way it's supposed to on our page. All right, so we look good there. So your banner ads. So let me go over and just find a banner because you can upload a custom banner as well. So let me just go find a banner. Let me see if I can find one that'll work with. Let me just Google one. I'm just going to find one for an example. That way I can show you how they kind of show up here. All right, so this would be like a banner ad right here, okay? So let me download this. And let's go. Let me just put it back in here. All right. And now I can choose file. And I can look for the banner ad that I have. And we're going to upload that banner ad, and then we can put our affiliate link in here. So ideally what you want to do is have an affiliate program, and like for another type of product, right? Or for maybe you have, let's go over to ClickBank real quick. Let me check out their marketplace. And so let's see here. Let me look at baby. So if you can match up your banner ad with the type of site you have, then you'll be able to convert on these higher, right? So you get paid $8 per sale on this right here. So if you have a banner ad for this, then all you have to do is put your affiliate link in. So this would be like your affiliate link, okay? And then you would just put that in here, okay? So let's just pretend like that was a banner or a baby banner ad that I uploaded here, right? Let's just pretend it was for that baby product over there that I just went and did. And let me refresh this, and I'll show you where that banner ad actually shows up on your product pages. All right, so when your visitors are checking out your store here and all that good stuff, and they're like, man, this is pretty awesome. Let's see what else is on this page. Oh, it's got related videos. That's pretty cool. Oh, product reviews. Oh, hey, look, this is some kind of baby shower thing here. Let me click on that real quick. So then they click on your baby shower thing, banner ad, and they go over to your baby shower site, and then it matches up with the products in your store. They like what they see, they buy it, you earn a commission on that product, okay? So that's how your banner ad is actually going to show up right there, okay? And it's going to show up like that on every single product page. So like if I went over to this page, that same banner ad is going to display across all of my product pages, okay? So there we go. So banner ad's still there, everything, all that good stuff, okay? So that's how the banner ad works, and that's the same what would happen with the Google AdSense as well. Now let's say you want to take this banner ad out, or you want to change it out or something like that. All you have to do is hit this reset button. That's going to reset everything right back to where it was and take all of your stuff out of there, okay? So now if I hit the reset, let me refresh this, and my banner ad should be gone. All right. There we go. So we've got our page here and no banner ad this time, okay? All right, so that's your banner ad, legal pages, category menu, okay. So your category menu, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to put checks next to all these, and you'll be able to arrange these any way you want to, right? You can even use subcategories. So let's pretend like we're back on the drone site and we have beginner drones and stuff like that. So if I want to make this a subcategory, I can, right? I want to make that a subcategory, I can. Let's say I want to arrange this a different way. Let's say I want to arrange this from highest to lowest, right? All I have to do is just switch the order of these and just drag them. All I'm doing is dragging them around to anywhere I want, okay? And then hit update, and that's going to update your category menu, okay? So that's really cool. The ability to have subcategories and all that good stuff is really, really awesome. Being able to order the categories in any way that you choose to is really, really cool. Um, yeah, I really like that feature. That's something new that Shop Express didn't have. All right. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to put them in the box. I will do the best I can to get all the questions answered that you have. Um, just been sitting here creating this store from scratch. I didn't really plan on it, but I just kind of fell into it just to show you how quick and easy it is to build a new store. I just built a new store. Let's see how many products we added to the store here. You can easily do that, see how many products you've got in your store, how many you've added today, all that good stuff right here on your dashboard. So I can see that I've got 15 products in my store right now. So there's 15 total products between all of the different categories. So I just went through and added like, 3 or 4 to each category to start with. I didn't want to do too many at a time because I don't want my account to get flagged by Amazon or anything like that. So I just added 3 or 4 to each category. But basically, I've got a whole site just built around baby monitors, and that's what you can do with this ShopMozo software. Is you can quickly and easily create niche stores, or you can create a big store, just a general store. So if I wanted to go and create a new store, let's go over to the affiliate stores dashboard here, and let's say I wanted to create one like I'm sure electronics is taken. I think I tried that one yesterday. Yeah, that one's already taken. So if your domain is taken, then you just keep coming up with more creative stuff. So I can even say electronics world if I wanted to. Okay, and then I can have a whole site based around electronics. Okay, or I can say video games. And I can have a whole site built around video games. Okay, let's snatch that one up real quick. Or if I want to just if I want to, that would be the next store I build is the video game store. Then we come back here and build one about HD TVs. So you can see I've got a few different stores going on here. I'll probably end up selling these over on Flippa or somewhere like that after I get my membership. If I can remember to do it, I've got to get that membership upgrade. So I'm going to do that right after this live stream. Then I'll have the agency rights, and I'll be able to go over to Flippa and sell these sites I create for a couple $100s a piece. Okay. Exit off here, and let me exit out of some of these things. All right, so that's how you can manage your stores, create stores, all that good stuff. You can build stores in just specific niches. You can build stores around uh, very broad niches. So, like if I had a general, let's say I wanted my store to just be um, online mall or something like that. Okay, so now I have an online mall store. Now I can put in all kinds of categories, right? I can just go over here to Amazon and I can see what all departments they have and choose from these different departments here. And these would be my categories, right? I would have home, garden, and tools for a category name, handmade, all that good stuff. And then I would just add a few products per day to those categories. All right, so I would use all those as my category headings. Just the same what Amazon has is fine. All right, and I'd be able to have a kind of like a just a general type of store. Okay. So I'm not gonna add any more right now. I'm gonna save all these good domain names for you guys. All right. So if you want to get access to ShopMozo, you can click on the link in the description. It's going to take you over to ShopMozo where you can get instant access and start building affiliate stores, just like I did for you in this video. Very, very quickly. You see me build this store from scratch. Probably just got a few other minor details to add to it. Then I'll be able to set up my get traffic and start getting some traffic on autopilot, set up my automations, and start posting products to my store on autopilot no matter where I'm at, what I'm doing. My store can stay updated and fresh at all times. Okay. Um, so let me see if anybody else has any questions here. Oh, okay. So Amazon they don't like you to add too many products at one time. So I haven't ever had too big of a problem. Like I've added literally hundreds of products per day and not had a problem with it. But, I don't want my luck to end, I don't want my luck to run out with that, right? So there's a whole video in the training section here. Let me get over to the training. So your training's right here in the same dashboard as well, okay? Um, and I think it's under the step by step. No, it's not under step by step. I think it's, where is it at? I see that. Let's see, store design, affiliate settings. Well, I think there's a training video over here. um, Maybe it was in the PDFs. No. But either way, there's a training video on that topic that I can't locate right now for some reason. And it talks about why you don't want to add too many products too fast, and that's because Amazon will flag your account and it'll be like a spam bot, right? So it would be like if you set up a spam bot to add all of these products in order to get them into the search engine to try to game the system in a way. And Amazon is super, super, super picky. Like I've had friends that got their Amazon account suspended for just various things. Like I have a couple of YouTube clients, and one of them just recently got his accounts terminated by Amazon because he told people to go and check out his or go and shop at his store that it would help fund his channel. He told people that in one video, and they terminated his account. So Amazon's super, super picky about what you do. So I really don't try to take any chances on what I do with Amazon. So I don't try to add too many products at a time, but I think I've probably added a few dozen today. Um, but mostly I'll just add enough to get a store started, and then I'll just set up the automations to add a few products per day, and before you know it, your store's filled up with hundreds of products. Now, like I said, I've added hundreds of products right up front and never have had a problem, but at the same time, I don't want to push the buck either. Hopefully that helps answer your question in a roundabout way, if anything else. What's the best way to get traffic to your store? Okay. I use YouTube. I use YouTube videos, and I'll show you. Well, I don't know if I can go to YouTube right now since I'm on YouTube live streaming, but if you look up like reviews of the products, right? Um, like what do I have in here right now? So if I went over to YouTube, I wonder if I could go to YouTube right now without messing up this stream. Let me copy one of these, or let me just go to YouTube real quick. If it messes up the stream, I'll start a new one. Just tell you that before I get too far into it. And I looked up baby monitor review. All right. All right, so you can see it gets thousands and thousands of views just for best-selling baby monitor review, baby best baby monitors, top 5 baby monitors 2017, 76,920 views, right? And if you put your link to your store in your description, then you're going to get a ton of traffic right out of those 76,000 people. I'm sure this person got a ton of traffic to their site, right? And that's exactly what this person's doing right here. Okay, so thousands and thousands of views. And all you have to do is just create simple little 2 to 5 minute videos, not even really that long at all, like 3 minutes right here on this video, 36,000 views, link to their site right here in the description. And they're just able to rock and roll. All right. So YouTube is very, very good, and I get a lot of traffic from YouTube. So that's what I would recommend to anyone who's just starting out is to use YouTube to get traffic. You can also use Facebook, you can use Twitter, you can use Instagram. Instagram's really good because you've got pictures of stuff, so you can set up that Instagram automation, and you'll just be able to post products like everybody on Instagram has a baby just about, right? Everybody has a baby nowadays. It seems like at least all my friends do. And you post pictures and you'll have like a link in your Instagram bio. So if I go over to Instagram, and I'm showing you a lot of stuff that I show in my coaching group. I go a lot deeper than what I'm showing you in this live stream, but um, let me see if I can just find something over here. So I'm just going to type in baby, see if I can get at least to a search box. Um, but I have a coaching group over on Facebook where I actually help people and show people different traffic strategies. I show them how to do different things. So if you're interested in that, send me an email. I'll get you plugged in there. Um, so with Instagram, so this person right here, they have 68,000 followers. They've posted 654 posts, and it's just all of babies, right? So they get a ton of likes, so that means they're getting a ton of traffic to their site. 2,000 likes on this one picture. Um, and of course, they've got this linked up to their Instagram Moms account to build that account up with. And the Instagram Moms don't really have anything going on with it, but what I would do is set up an Instagram account for baby monitors, and I would put a link to my store right here in my bio. Okay, so that's the only clickable link that you're able to post on Instagram. So I would put the link to my store in my bio, and then I would just post on a regular basis. A couple times a day. Set up a social traffic campaign. Set up a social traffic campaign for Instagram. Okay, and tell it to post a couple times a day from whichever category. You can even choose to post like 4 or 5 times a day and post one product from each category over there on Instagram, and then people will go over to your bio and check out your store. They'll come over to your store and visit it, and when they see something they like, they'll jump in there and buy it. I hope that helps a little bit anyway. You can also use Twitter. You can use different social media platforms. Social media is huge, but like I said, I highly recommend YouTube because you have a really good chance of getting ranked on the first page of Google and YouTube for your keywords and getting thousands of views. All right. So, any more questions from anybody? Want to, like I said, I want to make sure I answer all the questions before I go, but I am going to wrap this up soon. I think I've been live for about an hour now, um, and want to make sure that I answer all your questions. By the way, huge shout out! Thanks for joining me over here. I was over here talking to myself before you showed up, and hopefully what I've been going through has helped a little bit anyway. Huge shout out to all the night owls out there who are out there building their affiliate stores along with me, and maybe even just interested in building an affiliate store and don't know if ShopMozo is right for you or not. Hopefully I've been able to show you all the features of it so you can make a good decision. I really love ShopMozo, but I also love ShopExpress. This is my ShopExpress store, and they're created by the same people. So ShopExpress though is a software that you have to download onto your own domain. So you have to have a domain, hosting, and you have to install the software onto your hosting account. But it is on your own custom domain, and it has something, it gives you the ability to do stuff that you can't do with ShopMozo, like have a blog, for instance, right? So here's my Shop Express store. This is a DSLR camera store that I set up a few weeks ago. I haven't done too much with it yet either. I just get so busy that I just don't have time to pop over here. And I think what I'm gonna do is once I finish up going through this store with my coaching class, then I'm going to hire some writers to write for my blog, and that way I can get some stuff done. But like I was saying, it's the same kind of deal here, different layout, but pretty much the same. I'll let you see one of the product pages there. So your social buttons are actually tucked into a share button here. You still have your product images, but they're in a slider here. Those automatically scroll, or they can be manually scrolled. They don't have zoom. You do still have the video curation here from YouTube and your related products here. You have a buy now button, but not an add to cart button. You have your categories displayed up here as well. Logos the same, all categories. You don't have the ability to create subcategories, which is kind of a bummer, but it's something I've grown used to. I've been using ShopExpress for about a year now. I've really just loved the ability to create these stores really quickly, and really love the design and layout of them. But like I was saying, the one thing that I really love about um, ShopExpress and installing it on my own domain is the ability to have my blog on the front of it, right? So I can have an about page, home page with my blog post. I don't have my first blog post created yet. I'm still working on that one. Then I have a shop now button that goes over to my store. I have a contact page over here. Also have one over on the Shop Express software itself. You can add different stuff. You can really just customize your website to look any way that you want to, and you can drive people out of the search engines with SEO through blogging. Okay, so it adds an additional element that you just don't have with ShopMozo, because with ShopMozo you don't have the ability to have a blog. So if you want to blog, you have to go to an external blogging source or something like that in order to drive traffic to your store. All right. So basically, the only ways you're going to get traffic to your ShopMozo store is through the social automation that I was showing you with the social campaigns, and through driving traffic through videos, through YouTube videos, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can blog at other sites and leave links to your store, which is pretty much what I do with Shop Express anyway. But I really love having the ability to have blog posts right on my site that I can link straight to my store, and people can just go straight over to my store. So that's another thing I'm teaching my coaching group to do as well. All right, let's see if we have any more questions here. you have any more questions, give you about a couple more minutes here, and then I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I need to get to bed pretty soon. Got to get up and get my kids to school in the morning and get them all situated. 7 o'clock comes early. It's 1 o'clock my time right now, so I'm looking at about 5 hours of sleep if I'm doing good, which is plenty of sleep for me. Let's see, what else can I show you about this thing while I'm wrapping it up? So you have your media library here. That's where all your images are stored for your sliders. You can also add images to here. That way, whenever you add sliders, so like if I go back to slider here. Oh yeah, I was going to show you how to do a call to action button. But if I upload an image here, then you can see I can choose from my media library. So if I already have images uploaded, then it's easier for me to go ahead and add those sliders in. And also on the edit product page, then you can add custom images if you want to. All right, so let's do a main tagline. Let's go with that slider 3. I think that's the one with the cell phone and all that. So let's say we have the best selection of Wi-Fi baby monitors. All right, and I'll make that big. Let's see, let's make that 24, and I'm gonna leave it white just to see what it looks like. And then here I'm going to put in shop now, and I'm going to link to my $50 to $100 baby monitors. I messed that up a minute ago when I went in to arrange stuff. So I'm going to link that to this category right here. So I'm just going to copy this link here and pop it in here. And then I'm going to save options. Alright, so now on my slider 3, let me go back to my home page. We have that call to action button. Alright, so let's go to slider 3. And there we go. We have the best selection of Wi-Fi baby monitors. Shop now. They click here. And they go to my $50 to $100 category here. And they'll be able to see these $50 to $100 baby monitors here. Okay. So you can do that. You can link that to any link that you choose to. You can do that on every slider if you choose to. You can do it on one slider, whatever you want. The options are really flexible. So that's how that all looks. If you want to change the this color of this button, you'll have to change your theme color because it all matches the theme, the text and all that stuff. But to change your themes, really, really easy. All you do is just go back over to theme. And like I said, I use a lot of the orange themes. I don't want to go with the strong orange. I'm going to go with a vivid orange because it goes with Amazon a lot better to me. But hey, you choose whatever color floats your boat. Let's check out that button now. Now you can see that it's orange. All right. There we go. So our whole theme is orange now. That's what we got. All right. So really, really good options with the sliders and adding the buttons and all that good stuff. You see all of our products, categories, and tags. Automation, I went through all that stuff. Reporting, I went through. I think I've been through it all. So let me just check and make sure anybody has any last second questions. If not, I'm going to hop off here. Don't look like we do. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this thing up. Thank you so much for tuning in and asking questions. I hope that I've been able to answer everything for you. And I really, truly hope that you use ShopMozo to build your affiliate stores with. It's a very, very powerful software that I know that you're going to love. And I know that you're going to be able to build your stores just as quickly as me. You know, I just love the features and options that you have available and the ability to get up and going as quickly as you do. Even if you're a very beginner that don't even have technical skills, you're able to get up and going very, very quickly. So nothing to install, 100% cloud-based, no domain names needed, no hosting needed, no nothing like that. You just get access. and then you just start building your stores. I mean, it's very simple to do. Like I said, I'm using the enterprise version. I highly recommend it. I'm going to be getting the membership as soon as I end this live stream, right before I hit the bed, and that way I'll have, excuse me, here we go. All right, that way I will have access to all of the features that I need, and I'll be able to start creating these stores and flipping them over on Flippa for a couple $100 a piece, and we'll be able to get some stuff done. So, highly recommend that you get as much of the features as you possibly can. Uh, but if your budget don't allow for it, and it just don't allow for it, and get as many as you can, and then upgrade as you can. All right. But that's it. That's all I have for this ShopMozo Q&A session. I'll probably try to do another one of these about midday tomorrow or somewhere around there. Um, and so be sure to subscribe to the channel. That way, if I go live, you'll get a notification about it and be able to ask any questions that you think of if they come up. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you later.